Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to follow these instructions, warnings, and safety precautions could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area for the accumulation of debris, which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any debris that you find. This can be done by removing the front grille. Then remove the hood with 2 quarter-turn latches. Next, remove the 4 push-pin rivets from the radiator access panel to inspect the additional radiator fins. Then inspect the engine intake for blockage or debris and clean as needed. Check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and verify proper tread depth. Check the tire pressures and verify that they are set to specification. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Then inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. If it is low, clean around the cap and add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Then inspect the engine oil level by raising the cargo box. Ensure the oil level is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it with a clean shop towel. Next, reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it to inspect the oil level. Ensure the oil level is within the safe range on the dipstick and reinstall the oil dipstick. Do not overfill. Then, check the air filter service indicator if equipped, and inspect the air filter and replace if needed. After this, check the coolant level. Then close the cargo box and ensure it is secure. Verify that the tailgate is properly latched. Then turn the key on and inspect the headlights, taillights, and brake lights for proper operation. Next, verify proper operation of the door latches. Check the condition and function of the seat belts. Pull the seat belts completely out and inspect for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Always wear a seatbelt when riding. This vehicle will limit speed if the seatbelt buckle is not latched. Once in the driver's seat, adjust and lock the steering wheel. After this, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Sit in the vehicle and check the steering wheel for smooth operation from full left to full right. Start the engine and verify the low oil pressure light is not illuminated. Verify proper brake and throttle pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Apply the brake forcefully for a few seconds and check for fluid leakage around the fittings. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.